Welcome to the top best. The best body bushings is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to automotive performance. These seemingly small parts play a huge role in how your car handles, responds, and feels on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the world of body bushings, exploring why they matter, and how upgrading them can transform your driving experience. Get ready to discover the secrets to a smoother, more controlled ride. Number 5. KNN 63-3082 Cold Air Intake System. This is the KNN Cold Air Intake System. It's designed to increase your vehicle's performance and towing capabilities. You'll notice a significant difference. The system provides a less restrictive path for airflow. This increases the volume of cool, oxygen-rich air into your engine, resulting in more power and torque. KNN's horsepower and torque testing is performed on wheel-based dynamometers. The reports are included with each intake system, so you can trust the results. The intake system allows your engine to breathe and sound as it should. You'll hear a satisfying growl during acceleration, and it will return to quiet at cruising speeds. This kit improves acceleration and uphill performance when towing. It enhances throttle response, overall horsepower, and torque, making it excellent for daily and highway driving. KNN Air Intake will not void your vehicle's warranty. It also comes with a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty, protecting it for the life of your vehicle. The system features a high-flow, reusable air filter. It has 4 layers of pleated, breathable cotton with KNN's red filter oil to trap dirt and dust. It only needs cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal highway conditions. What we like. This system boosts horsepower and torque, giving your vehicle a noticeable performance upgrade. It also enhances the engine sound, providing a more aggressive growl during acceleration. If you frequently tow heavy loads or desire improved throttle response, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Performance-wise, there's a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque. Acceleration feels smoother and more responsive, especially when merging onto the highway or towing my boat. It's like the engine breathes easier, delivering that extra punch without any lag. I've seen a solid 2 to 3 miles per gallon improvement on my daily commutes and longer trips, which adds up quickly at the pump. Number 4. Daystar Ford F250-350 Body Mounts KF04050BK. These Daystar body mounts are specifically designed for Ford F250 and F350 models from 1999 to 2017. They ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle, maintaining the proper alignment between the body and frame. Upgrade your ride with these polyurethane body mounts. They offer significant advantages over the original rubber mounts, providing enhanced performance and durability. Experience improved handling and overall performance. These mounts are engineered to optimize your vehicle's responsiveness and stability on and off the road. Proudly made in America, these body mounts are built to last. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product for years to come. Constructed from high-quality polyurethane, it is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. This material is designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This product ensures proper body and frame alignment, which is crucial for vehicle stability. It's designed to outperform standard rubber mounts, offering enhanced handling characteristics. If you're looking for improved control and a more responsive driving experience, consider this. What people say. These mounts fit great and are nice and solid. Now with these new mounts all that is gone and it feels normal going over bumps. These work great. Much better ride. Number 3. Daystar KF04060BK Black Body Bushing. Today, we're highlighting the Daystar KF04060BK Black Body Bushing. This product is designed for vehicle-specific applications. It's a reliable component. The package dimensions are 30.48 cm in height, 20.32 cm in length, and 22.86 cm in width. This size is carefully considered for safe transportation and storage. This product is proudly made in the United States. The origin reflects the quality and manufacturing standards. The package weighs 8.165 kilograms. This weight gives an indication of the product's robustness and the materials used. It's designed for a vehicle-specific fit. This ensures that it will integrate seamlessly into the intended vehicle model. What we like. This body bushing kit is made with durable polyurethane for long-lasting performance. It is designed for a perfect fit for your specific vehicle. If you prioritize reliability and a precise fit, this is a great option. What people say. Fit was perfect. Ride is much better, no noise, no shifting. A perfect replacement for old Ford cab bushing mounds. For a 2010 F-250 crew cab, gas 2-wheel drive. Very easy to install and fits perfectly in the cab mount holes. Doesn't wiggle in the holes. I test drove my truck and it made the truck very quiet and the truck now rides like new again. Number 2. Energy suspension body mount bushings for Ford F-250 crew cab. This is a world leader in performance polyurethane suspension technology. It is designed to enhance your vehicle's performance and durability. You can trust this product to deliver. These bushings are specifically designed for the 08-16 Ford F-250 crew cab. They are engineered to provide a perfect fit and optimal performance. Installing them is a straightforward process. The bushings improve vehicle stability and handling. They reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. Experience a smoother and more controlled ride. The package dimensions are 25.1 centimeters in height, 11.6 centimeters in length, and 23.6 centimeters in width. It's carefully packaged to ensure the product arrives in perfect condition. The package weighs 2.812 kilograms. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can be assured of its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This kit utilizes performance polyurethane technology for superior suspension performance. The company is a world leader in this field. If you are looking for top-tier suspension technology, this is the one for you. What people say. These cab mount bushings fit perfectly and line up like the OEM ones. They are the correct size unlike the Daystar bushings. They were a perfect fit. I saw reviews of other products where the bushing was small in the frame. These fit perfect. Number 1. KF04060BK Body Mount Bushing Kit for Ford Super Duty. Are you looking to enhance your Ford Super Duty's performance? This kit is designed to provide superior support and durability. It's the perfect solution for a smoother ride. This kit features robust polyurethane body cab mounts. This material is known for its resistance to wear and tear. It ensures long-lasting performance. The kit comes complete with steel sleeves and all necessary hardware. This ensures a secure and reliable installation. Everything you need is included in the package. This kit is specifically designed for Ford F-250 and F-350 models from 2008 to 2016. Whether you have a 2WD or 4WD, it's compatible. Ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. By replacing your old bushings, you'll experience a noticeable improvement in ride quality. It reduces vibrations and provides better control. Enjoy a more comfortable driving experience. The components feature a sleek black finish. This not only adds to the aesthetics but also provides an extra layer of protection. It's a stylish and practical upgrade. What we like. This kit features durable polyurethane construction for long-lasting performance. It includes all necessary hardware for a complete installation. If you want a comprehensive and reliable solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Outstanding quality, great product. Work just like one from the parts house. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.